Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make focaccia bread and I'm very excited for this video. It's a flat oven baked Italian bread which is similar in style and texture just like the pizza dough, and you can have it as a main meal or a side dish. So before starting the video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button, and please do share your comments after watching the video. So the first step in making this is to do the yeast preparation. For this we have taken 1 1/3 cup of warm milk, and to which we are going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar, and the sugar will help the yeast to get activated, and mix it nice so that the sugar is nicely dissolved, and then add 1 1/3 teaspoon of active yeast. So this is the instant yeast, so after 10 minutes it will be activated. You can use the other yeast and it takes much longer time. So you can see the froth and the bubbles, that means the yeast is activated. So now we are going to prepare the topping. So for the topping we are going to add 1/3 cup of olive oil to a pan, and do remember the pan should not be hot. You just add the oil and we are going to add the herbs. So here I have used this dry rosemary and basil. You can use any herb of your taste just to get the flavor you want. Either you can add the garlic. So after adding the herb, mix it nicely and wait for it to get hot. So you have to be careful, it should not get burned. You just have to wait for the herb, for the oil to absorb all the flavor of the herb. So now it is hot, so we are going to remove it from the flame and we will allow it to get cooled. So the third thing is to prepare the dough, which is very easy, and you can see that our yeast is also activated. And here I have taken plain flour, 3 1/3 cup of plain flour, to which I'm adding salt, 2 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So you can use the wheat flour also if you want to make it little more the healthy version, and mix it with the help of whisk so that all the salt and oil will disperse nicely and it will be easier to knead the dough. So now add the mixture and knead it nicely. So now I'm going to transfer it to a surface. So first dust some flour over the surface. I used a big chopping board because I was not having a big rolling surface. So the trick to is that you have to knead it with the help of your palm. So and you have to knead it until it becomes elastic and soft. It should be smoother dough, and you can see, like for me it took 5 to 6 minutes and it became very smooth and nice. So you have to knead it like this, and after kneading it you have to roll it in your favorite shape. My pan was of rectangle shape, so I just gave it a rectangular shape, and now I will transfer it to the baking tray, which I greased it with some butter, and transfer it nicely and just make sure it fits nicely. And now we will wait for it to get doubled in size, so we will allow it to rest for 1 to 2 hours minimum. You have to allow it to rest for 1 hour. Then after 1 hour you can see it just became double in size, and I'm just with the help of my finger I'm just pressing it and making this design. You can make the way you want, and I'm pouring the herb mixture, and I will spread it nicely with the help of brush. And I have already preheated my oven to 400 Fahrenheit, and I will bake it for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes, ta-da, it is done. See the texture, it looks so good, the color and everything, and I'll just cut and show how fluffy and soft it was. and I just wish I could make you guys taste, but yeah, you can make it by yourself and you can taste it. It came out to be so nice, and you can definitely store it for like 1 week, or maximum 5 to 6 days you can store it. And you can serve it with any spread. I tasted it with the onion dip and it was so tasty, so delicious. My whole family loved it and it was too easy. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and please watch other videos too. And yeah, thank you.